Now I will show you how to make a sketch for this artwork.
Draw a vertical line in the center of your paper to create a symmetrical sketch. Do not forget that animals have a long skull. Use waving or curling lines to draw horns. Turn them into 3D shape following the same instructions we used in our creativity practice. And this is how that looks like in practice. On a second example, I went a step further and have decided to sketch two skulls in a semi-profile position.
Now, when you know how to make a sketch for this artwork, we're ready to start coloring.